Hi, students. Good morning. Welcome back. Hope you had a restful weekend. Okay, so we'll be looking at listening part 3, FCE. First, there are basic things you need to do, 6 important information. First, you should understand that this audio of this part is 8 minutes long, okay? And then there are always 5 different speakers talking about the same topic, no difference in the topic, okay? And thirdly, you should also understand that each speaker gets to speak about 30 seconds, all right, in the audio. Now, the speakers who are speaking, there are 1 to 5 speakers, and you must match these 5 speakers to A to H option, which is like 8 different sentences. All right. Now, these 3 sentences in these 8 options, you don't need them; they're not necessary. All right. And very, very important, this audio is not ordered in the same manner of the text. So the text is in disorder from what you hear in the audio. So for example, the answer of speaker 2 might be option H. So it's not like option A is speaker 1. No, it's in disorder. Now, how can you do this particular text? All right. First things first, let's take a look at the question. First, how to do it. I think the first thing is to read all the questions. Read all the questions and highlight keywords. These are always the basic steps, all right? Highlight the keywords, read all the question. Now, when you do that, for example, the keywords here, you have change. I'm going to quickly highlight that, okay? All right, could do, all right? These are keywords, all right? And this next one, the keyword will be history, okay? So I'm going to quickly highlight that. Awaken also, very, very important. So you highlight the keywords basically, all right? Now, when you highlight the keywords after you've read the questions, that is in the first 30 seconds that you have before the audio starts, then what do you do now is to do what? You use the second listening to check your answer if you're not sure, all right? Use the second listening, check the answer if you're not sure. Now, another thing that you should also consider is that the answer from the text, from the keywords which you've highlighted, they are not exactly the same in the audio. They are always synonym, similar words. For example, you can look at the word, for example, change. Change is a word, all right? Now, you will not hear change in the audio. If you hear change, it might be a distractor, might not be the answer. All right. So maybe change might be used as a synonym in the audio. All right. So you may not hear the word change. You may hear new ways. All right. You may hear something different. All right, as before. So you may hear synonyms of this word. Okay. Now, you may not hear the word history in the audio. You may hear something different like heritage. Okay, so these are synonyms, so you should be very careful. You may not hear the word, for example, look after myself. Maybe you may hear a word like maybe take care. All right, take care. You know that these are the same synonyms you might hear from the audio. So please take care, be very careful with these word distractors. They're very, very misleading. All right. Now, another thing that before you wrap up, always try to listen to the general gist before you choose your answer, especially when the speaker finishes. When the speaker finishes, you choose the answer from each speaker, so you don't mix up speaker 1 with speaker 2. So if speaker 1 finishes, listen to it until the end before you now choose the answer. Now, the 7 most important tip with this listening is that it's very important that the audio of the speaker are not in the order of the text, like I said earlier on. All right, so speaker 1 answer might be E. It may not necessarily be A, so they're in disorder. So try and use the keywords to trace your answer from the audio. So these are the basic steps. So if you can apply them, I think you should be good to go. See you later in the afternoon. Have a good day. Bye.